So hey guys, Matt here, Sun Sweeping, and today I wanted to show you kind of where I've gone so far with systematizing my business. I'm not a professional at this, I'm learning as I go, but I wanted to show you the progress that I've made so far, okay? So let's take a look at my shop and see what changes I've made since the last video. Probably should have painted the walls, yes, but this is kind of the last of the scraggly area. I'm getting rid of one of these heads here, probably two of them actually. This one's pretty much brand new, and then this one right here is brand new as well, but this one's a little bent, but hey, you need to get it fixed. So I'm trying to get rid of all this. I have a spot for my heads now, my sweeper heads. And then we're trying to open this area up over here as well so that we can have, a little bit of a lunch area or just an information area for our guys. So all this is going to be coming out of there. We're going to be painting the floor here because this tape worked out really good. And, we want them to walk this way into the shop, okay? So I helped a buddy remove some racks from another business, and he gave me 3 large racks. So this is going to be more for the mechanic. We do have an in-house mechanic that comes in and does our oil changes and everything. This is going to go on another one of my sweeper trucks that we're building currently, and this is the rubber skids. I haven't really figured out what I'm going to do with the rubber skids, but basically we buy large rolls and then we cut them ourselves. So I got this big rack, and I'm going to put wood here, or probably wood here. And the idea was to get something welded up to where we can pull the rubber up onto this table and then cut it up here. And then I got a drill press here where I'm gonna drill all the holes that I need to mount to the sweeper truck. One of my employees, one of my team members, Oscar, he basically said we should probably put something down there because the rubber rolls will actually slide under here. So put the rubber roll there, and then put like some sort of pipe to hold it in place, and then just pull out what we need here on the floor, and then cut it, and then put it up on the table, and drill holes in it for whatever we need. So I thought that was a good idea. One of the things you guys want to pay attention to with your team members as well is that you want to pay attention to basically how to. You're trying to get them to interact as a team, and so if you're not taking their advice, or at least listening to their advice, they won't give it anymore. So I'm glad that that's starting to come out of the guys. We do have a good team though. So, but up here, I'm gonna do another shelf probably at the very top. I don't know yet, but it's gonna be more for storing sweeper parts, so like brooms and a radiator there that I have on the end. And this is a part for one of my Chevy trucks. I'm gonna have a barbecue area later, but not now. This cabinet, I'm getting rid of this, and I'm gonna get a nice black one and probably put it here. That way I can keep all my sweeper parts, smaller sweeper parts in them, and not get dust all over them. If you own a street sweeping company, you're gonna get dust on everything. So this is what I have right now, and as you can see, it's just junky. So, but I am keeping track of everything. I use an app called Sortly. So if you guys ever want to check that out, I'll put a link to it in the description. But Sortly, it actually helps me, how basically what I have in my shop, so that I can at a glance look at it, and then anybody can update it from their phone. So let's say my sweetheart wanted to take some inventory, she could. I want to organize this. I want to have, all the stuff I need in here that I don't want dust on, so like tools and stuff like that. So I want it all inside a cabinet, so I'm gonna get a different cabinet and put it over here. I wanted to put everything on casters so that I can roll everything from one side of the shop to the other, so that when we clean out the shop, like blow it out, I can move everything to one side, blow it all out, and then take everything that's gonna be on this side and the same thing, blow it all out. Because in a sweeper shop, it gets dusty. So anyway, I need to put a wood tabletop there, and then I'm gonna stack these sweeper heads under here. That way they're stored away. And then we have the blower section slash vacuums. So I am looking at doing apartment cleanouts now too. So when clients move out of apartments that we're doing the street sweeping for, we can come in and we can actually clean the apartment. So I'm looking at hanging vacuums from here and then having the blowers up top. And then I was thinking a small cabinet under there, just to have specifically parts for the blowers and then anything else that I put up here or down here. I'm gonna also have areas where I can buy soap in bulk as well, to clean basically. So then we have the welding slash air compressor area. Obviously needs to be organized. I bought a new desk for this area. This is where they're gonna be working on stuff in general. And then I bought a cart for the washing area as well, which I will be putting everything on there. And so yeah, I mean, it's a small shop. It's not a huge shop, but a lot of people don't even have this. So this is a lot of progress here. And it's a lot of work though, but we're getting there. So hopefully I'll do some updates in the future. That way you guys can see how it's going. Setting up processes for my guys on how they clean the trucks and everything has really benefited us already. The guys like it because it's organized, and then we save money on time because it's organized. So for instance, if you were gonna wash, let's say your sweeper trucks or your trucks in general, you know, like for your business, you don't wanna have these guys, because trust me, I've seen some pretty crazy stuff where they'll come in, there's dirt all over the truck, and then they'll just throw water on it and there's dust. So that causes mud, right? So you want to avoid the mud. So what you do is you have them vacuum off the truck and then clean the inside of the truck and then wash from top to bottom. I know that sounds normal, but some people, they don't get it. And so you have to direct them. So I've set up a process for how they wash the trucks and they follow it. And so that saves us time, actually. They were taking like 30 minutes to wash the truck. Maybe they were milking it, I don't know. But now we got it down to like 10 to 15 minutes to wash the truck. And they wash the truck on once a week. But they also vacuum and wipe down the inside of the truck during the week. Just they wash it once a week. So anyways, hopefully you guys are following along. If you guys want to learn how to run a street sweeping company, not that I'm the guy to tell you all this, but I definitely want to learn from you guys too. If you guys own a street sweeping company, anyone out there, let's collaborate. Let's talk about how we save money and how we can better encourage our teams and create an environment that they like working in. So anyway, with that, God bless you guys. And like always, peace.